Delivering a feature to production is only 50% of the way there. I led product management in one of Ireland's few billion-euro tech startups, and I saw this problem there. It's very common for small companies to think in a feature factory mindset where you build a feature, you deliver to production, it's in production, and everyone's happy. This works in a small company because usually the sales guy is right next to the product guy who's right next to the engineer, and it's a very close-knit group. As you scale, that becomes broken. And that's when you need to start bringing in some systems, some processes, not overburdening, but things that help you communicate better across the organization and make sure everybody is aligned. Now, for your product managers out there, this is what I recommend. You do a demo, you show your team the features, you bring everybody in that needs to be there, you keep it as short and concise as possible because you don't want to waste their time. You create a document, you put the recording of that demo in that document, and in that document should be your script. It should be why this feature is great, what it adds to your product, and what can the sales team now say to customers or potential customers that they couldn't say before that is better than before. In that document too, you need to explain to your support team what are the questions they're going to get, what are the problems that can happen, what might go wrong, how do they debug it, and how do they support the customers with this new feature. In that document too should be information for your success team if you have one. That information is very similar to the information for the sales team, but of course it's aimed at existing customers rather than new potential customers. In that document should also be the metrics by which you will measure the success. These can be very simple things like how many users actually loaded the page, clicked the button. They're all leading indicators of success for your feature. What I also like to put in that document is real customer feedback, qualitative feedback, quotes from customers. Hopefully you've got some very close customers that have tested this feature already, and you put in there what they say. In their own words, what did they say? So that you can repeat their own words back to them and to new customers and speak the language that your customers are speaking. Now, for the CEOs and leaders out there, you will have to give your team space. What will most likely happen when you start measuring these things and measuring the impact of your features, you'll realize most of what you deliver probably isn't doing what you thought it would do. It's not having the impact, and customers aren't using it the way that you thought they would. This is just a fact of life in software and product development. It's just one of those annoying truths. And of course, how you fix it is by being agile and iterating, and you go again and you adjust until it's having the desired effect. That is what agile is. Agile is not just 2-week sprints and doing retros. And that served us really well in that billion-euro startup that I mentioned at the start of the video. So yeah, if you're a junior product manager looking to up your game, or if you're a smaller software company and you're growing and you're trying to get ahead of those problems that you're about to face that you know are coming, start thinking about how delivery is only 50% of the way there.